Good morning. This is Lex here, local private guide here in Amsterdam East, and I'm about to show you some highlights of Oosterpark, which is a great park and not so known. Everybody knows the Park, but who knows the Oosterpark? This here is the redecorated slavery monument, which is visited by Willem Alexander, our king, every year. And I also want to show you this. You even have an app for this. You can get water, good water, trustable water, drinkwater. So you have an app called Water Taps. It's for free. The drinks are for free, obviously. And always when you're making on a tour in the Netherlands, you can use it. This is the pretty well-known hospital of this area, which is called OLVG. This Oosterpark has a loop of 1.35k, 1.35, which is about 1/3 of the Vondelpark, by the way, and that's fine. It's still it's very doable. As you can see, it also has new tarmac, which is good for people like me who do inline skating. Me as a guide, I do that as well on skates, but I guide people around on bike, on foot bike, scooter, and also by foot. And I think this park is very suitable for a walking tour. Even 1 hour will give you a very good idea, although 90 minutes or even 2 hours, including the surroundings of the park, I think is perfect. Nice houses also on the edge of the park. It's the day after King's Day. There have been some serious cleaning, which was really needed after King's Day. And what is also typical about the Oosterpark is they have all kinds of small statues. You wouldn't see it if you wouldn't know them. This is, for example, Titaantjes. This is a very small, tiny little statue reminding Nescio, who was a writer of the 80s movement, and then we're talking about the 80s of the 19th century. Nice lights as well. And here, this is also very well known. It's called the Schreeuw. It reminds us of the killing here around the corner of Theo van Gogh, a very well-known journalist. And, so the Schreeuw is, well, what is it called in English? The shout, I think. And as you can see, it's already 22 years ago this killing took place, and it's here really around the corner over there. Here on the other side you see the music temple, very social place. Some very large trees here as well. I think the oldest one of Amsterdam is here as well, or maybe the second oldest. It should be there somewhere over there. When I'm there, I can point it exactly, but it's not on my exact route now. On this part of the Oosterpark, you have really nice cafes. If there's one thing trendy concerning food and drink, it is Oosterpark and its surroundings, definitely. There, the church, which is only a church in the front because it burned off in 1989, so they could only keep the front of this church. Talking about trendy, In front of you, although not very visible, you see the rooftop of a new place. It's called Strand van Oost, Eastern Beach. Although I have to be honest that for me the Strand of Oost, the beach of East, is a real beach, and that is to be found on Eiburg, Strand Eiburg. Doesn't matter. This is a totally redecorated hotel, which was called the Tropen Hotel. Now it's Hotel 5. This is a tropical institute, once the largest building of the Netherlands. Still very impressive building, and it has a direct link to our colonization period in Indonesia. And this is also cool. It's a free suntan, and here on the other side you see the music temple, and these colors beneath are still reminding of yesterday. I think that's it for now. Have a nice day.